Bill, you don't need a weatherman to know it is going to be cold this winter. Are we seeing these major swings because traders are building hypotheses on how cold it's going to get?
Yeah, yesterday we saw a cold shot come in on the models, and people are in the mode of buy first, ask questions later. They don't want to repeat of what happened last year. We had astronomical prices, and we unfortunately had loss of life in Texas with that cold shot. But after the close yesterday, people started asking questions. And not only how cold is it, but where it's going to be cold matters. And we don't expect, and it's highly unlikely that we'll see that type of weather. And thus, prices gave up most of their gains from yesterday.
You know, you had a year last year where natural gas rose for most of the year. It was up 47%, the contract over in 2021. But in the fourth quarter, it melted away very, very quickly. What kind of year should we expect?
Well, I think right now prices need to normalize and equilibrate. Stocks are healthy, but on a go-forward basis, there seems to be asymmetric risk to the upside. We have to refill for the winter. That's where, you know, the rubber meets the road, and people are very cautious. And we've had some scaling back and capital discipline by the producers so that supply and demand are finally balanced, and any kind of disruption could lead to fireworks.
In the United States, is there ample supply to heat homes and do business?
Under 99% of weather scenarios, there is ample supply to meet all the weather scenarios. But Mother Nature is the ultimate fundamental. She has some tricks up her sleeve, and people are concerned.
No kidding there, man. That's the truth. You said that now supply and demand are roughly in balance. Does that suggest that prices are going to sort of find this as an equilibrium spot for the next few weeks or maybe months?
It might. We have to, you know, this is a Goldilocks scenario. And as we know in commodities, that doesn't remain for too long. And so any kind of disruption or increase in demand when COVID finally goes away, or if we have any kind of disruptions in supply, freeze offs, or extended equipment outages, that can change very quickly. And so we're at a price level where there doesn't seem to be that much downside, but a very large upside, given that in order to shut off exports to Europe, we need to go to a seriously high price.
My heating bill was higher last month. I can't wait to receive the latest one. Bill Perkins, thanks very much.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.